How to get which Bollywood actor are you filter on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I will show you how to get this filter. So you just have to click on that plus icon like you usually do when you want to post a story or a post or a reel. So click on story. Then from here, choose a filter. So go to a random filter. It really doesn't matter. Then click on the filter's name, which is right at the bottom of the page. It here says silly face by Instagram. So it really doesn't matter the filter. We just have to choose a random one. So once you did that, we have to scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, we can scroll a little bit down and we have to click on browse effect gallery. So click on that. Then from here you have to click on this search icon from the right top corner. And then here search for Bollywood or Malu. So I will search for Bollywood. And then click search. So here you have to click on the first or the second post. I like this one from his. Sorry if I'm spelling wrong your name. So you just have to click on that and then click on try it. So right now I will put my boyfriend to see which actor, which Bollywood actor is he. So you just have to click on try it from the left bottom corner. Hold down on the record button. So yeah, this is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and tell us which Bollywood actor are you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.